Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are well. Friends, as you know, I purchased this brand new camera with my AdSense money, and today I like to unboxing this camera. So let's start the unboxing. Friends, I purchased this camera from my near local mega shop, and I buy this camera for making my tutorial more beautiful. I'm not a big YouTuber and I earn a little amount of money from Google AdSense. That's why I purchased this cheap camera. In future, if I earn more, then I will try to buy a professional camera and also unboxing that camera with you. This camera price in my country is $190, and I add this product Amazon link in this video description so that you can learn more details about this camera. So friends, first I like to show you the outside of this camera box, then I will go to the inside of this camera box. Here you can see this camera have 20.2 megapixel and 25 wide angle lens, 25x zoom, and Wi-Fi certified. And at the back side, this camera support Windows 8.18, 7 SP1 and also Windows 10, because now I am running Windows 10, and Mac OS 10.9 to 10.10. Interface Wi-Fi and USB. And at the side, this camera contain different color. I am having black one. And this camera contain the main camera, also battery charger, and this camera have inside this box have no memory card, and interface cable is not included. So that is all the outside. Now I'm going to inside. So here is the inside. Here is the camera. Here is the charging cable. Here is the charger. So if I like to connect it this way, and here is the battery. They do not provide me the user guide. So here is the battery. You can see 3.6 volt, 1250 mAh and 4.5 Wh. So now I like to show the camera, main camera. Here is the camera. You can see, look pretty nice. So here is the some function. Here is the menu, Wi-Fi button, record button, play buttons, and here some function set, info, flash, and mode. Here you can see this is full HD, 20.2 megapixel. Here is the flash button. X optical zoom, and this side here you can see HDMI port, this one USB, and this one HDMI. at the back side, here you can see tripod hole, and this one is battery and memory card hole. So if I like to use my small tripod, so here you can see in this way you can use your tripod. So now I like to turn on the camera. So here is the battery. So here is the menu settings. Here is the Wi-Fi option. You can connect from here. Here is the video mode. Here's some option. Here's some other programs. So that's all. I hope you like this video. I'm really satisfied with this camera. I hope you like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy. See you next video.